we have principals, vice principals, coordinators, and counselors joining in today from Pan India.
Affirmative changes, at least in 4 parameters of the students. Those 4 parameters are knowledge, skills, attitude, and behavior. So,
believe me, 6 months to 1 year we spend in perhaps taking them out of the coaching center mentality, which I mentioned to you, and orient them towards what industry requires.
How well we have been able to prepare our students for this change platform of education.
Our learning shouldn't stop. And then on the way, we have learned so much, be it assessments, be it developing apps or subject, specific technological apps, along with pedagogical styles, ways of, teaching, learning in the classrooms.
Imagine 20 years, 30 years ago, which vice chancellor of a university would come in a program like this, okay? And which Ruhi and Jyoti will organize a program like this.
We need to change as per the needs of the pandemic, which the pandemic is trying to teach.
Sometimes the internet connectivity was low, the board is not clear, the teachers are not able to explain themselves, or we were not able to have the experiential learning. We were not in connect with teachers, no personal attention was there.
Nobody saw pandemic coming. So suddenly switching over to online. Now, how do you see that this online learning, is it able to contribute? Is it able to take up the responsibility?
And hold these children and meet these children where these children are, not where the university or the course is. So if
have to find out the new definitions of career, new definitions of success in life, new definition of preparedness in life, it is.
The question is that there are a lot of students who might have the experience of disconnect and disenchantment. They may be underconfident as well due to this 1.5 years of unusual school life and lack the interest of inclusion. What do you think that colleges and universities can do to bring normality and smoother transition for this lot of students, as this is a very important transition from school to college life?
People who are from education side, we take domain competencies. And everybody from the employer side, all of them without exception, they mentioned their behavioral parts and their communication skills as the competence. So huge gap exists between, say, higher education institutions and employers.
So now when we are coming to the universities, again, if we look at the situation, I feel for next few months it's going to be online only. So are we ready for that? Like in the school level, if I talk, if the online classes were not sufficient, we turned to YouTube, or the students who want to learn, they find out their resources on the net, and we were able to cover up somehow. But is the university curriculum online, or will the students be able to cover it on their own selves if the online classes do not suffice?
Very beautiful question, Barisha.
Then the assessment should be of that how fast they are adapting to the situation, how quickly they are molding themselves as per the needs of the emerging society.
And that means, as per your views, if I'm not wrong, instead of taking the theory and the cramming part of a student in test, we shifted to the applied learning, isn't it?
Correct.
That's again, we could say, is a blessing in disguise for a student.
I think schools have added responsibility to add one more vertical to the services that they are offering as to how well you can prepare them to take a decision about these 4 C's that I'm talking about.
Any child who entered school in 2016, when they graduate and go to work, 65% jobs they'll be working on do not exist today. So the question is, what should we prepare them for?
Yeah.
I just wanted to ask that discipline is one of the most defining characteristics of a successful individual. So ma'am, the novelty of being connected online has distracted children, and now the sense of discipline has reduced to a great extent. So how would we be able to catch up on that?
Available online for students, whether it's videos, content. So a lot of education leaders being here.
Yeah.
Where do you see the role of the teachers also transitioning in this environment?
Definitely like to suggest, Kshitij and everybody here, that you need to take this ownership of your learning yourself. get more responsible. And Dr. Raj Singh, it's very, very reassuring from you to hear that the school students will all be scaffolded very well, supported very well.
It's very important. You need to go the Google way. Google doesn't hire on the basis of your degrees.
Yes.
Google hires what skills you have, what abilities you have, and how you can contribute or how you can be a better employee of the organization, taking it as your own.
So much, sir, for sharing the facts and figures and the insights about how the education system, even at the university level, has taken the challenges, transformed, and is ready to, accept this batch of students.